Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer. General Prologue Summary. The General Prologue opens by setting the scene. It's spring, the month of April, the time of year when many people go on religious pilgrimages. The narrator of the General Prologue, who is Chaucer himself, is one such pilgrim. As the General Prologue opens, Chaucer is staying at the Tabard Inn in Southwark, preparing for a pilgrimage to the shrine of St. Thomas Becket in Canterbury. Thomas Becket was Archbishop of Canterbury until 1170, when he was murdered in a conflict with King Henry II of England over the rights and privileges of the Church. He is traveling with 30 other pilgrims, who are identified primarily by their jobs or social positions. All the 31 pilgrims are the knight, the squire, the yeoman, the prioress, the monk, the friar, the merchant, the clerk, the man of law, the wife of Bath, the franklin, the haberdasher, the carpenter, the weaver, the dyer, the tapestry weaver, the cook, the shipman, the physician, the parson, the ploughman, the miller, the manciple, the reeve, the summoner, the pardoner, the first nun, the second nun, the nun's priest, the host, and the narrator. Harry Bailey, also known as the host, is the owner of the Tabard Inn. As the pilgrimage begins, Harry Bailey proposes a contest. Each pilgrim will tell two tales on the way to Canterbury and two tales on the way back. Harry Bailey will judge which tale is the best, and the winner will receive a free dinner at the Tabard Inn, actually paid for by the other pilgrims. If any of the pilgrims disagrees with Harry Bailey's judgment, that pilgrim will be responsible for paying Bailey's expenses for the pilgrimage. Chaucer planned to write 120 stories, with each person telling two stories on the way there and two on the way back. However, only 23 were completed and one was partially finished. Two of the stories are written in prose, the others are written in verse. They were so popular that he was invited to read his stories to the king and royal court. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Comment below if you want a video on some topic.